back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a super simple fall makeup tutorial. Very warm, very beautiful, very very everything that you're looking for in a fall makeup tutorial. So I already did my brows and I primed my eyelids so we could save time, so let's just jump right in. So now we're up close and personal, let's get started. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, sorry for blinding you guys. I'm going to take the color Hunt, which is just like a brick red color, and I'm going to take a big fluffy crease brush and I'm going to put this all over my crease, my transition area, all that jazz. Of course, because we didn't set the concealer, it's going to be not the easiest thing in the world to set down, so I like to pat, 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 and then blend. Now that that's down, I'm going to take, I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette and I'm going to take Credit and I'm going to put that in my outer crease with like a kind of dense shader brush. So I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to pat it in the outer corner and then we're going to blend it out. But I'm just going to pat. And then I'm going to take just like a different fluffy brush and blend it up into the crease. Then I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that we used to apply the crease shade, and now I'm going to blend those two together so it's not as harsh lined. I really like this outer corner to be pigmented though, so I might go back in and pick it up some more so that we don't lose that pigment. Alright, for the lid, I'm going to keep it super simple as well. I'm just going to take like a little packing shader brush, if that makes any sense. Large fluff. And I'm going to take Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette and I'm going to put that on the center of the lid. And then go and fix the crease. For eyeliner, I'm going to take the LA Colors Matte Liquid Eyeliner and I'm going to take it in the color Dark Brown. And I'm going to do a little baby wing. For lashes, I like to keep them in between dramatic and simple. So I'm just taking these lashes. They're from AliExpress. And they're from the brand Visofree, and it's the style D06. I will link them down below if I could find them. But this is what they look like. This is what they look like. Dramatic, but still have like a wispy style, you know? So while the lashes are preparing, I sprayed my face with my NYX Bear With Me spray. So I really enjoy putting concealer under my foundation, especially when I'm wearing a more full coverage foundation. Well, not a full coverage, but like something a little bit more heavy. I really like the way it looks underneath as opposed to on top. I don't know what it is about it, but it just helps it from looking so cakey, I guess. So I just took the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and it's in the shade Golden, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, lashes are on. So now let's put our foundation on. I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. This is the shit. Honestly, this is the best drugstore foundation. So I'm just going to pump some onto a little foundation painter's brush. I feel like this helps you not get carried away with the amount of foundation that you put on. Foundation is on. It looks a little crazy on camera, but I promise you it is matching pretty well, and if not, it'll look even better when I put some bronzer on. So you can see how my under eyes are highlighted, but it's not like a crazy like, yo, she has on a light bright concealer. And that's why I like putting on concealer under foundation. But if I was wearing something a little less coverage, I might just put it on top. I don't know, it depends. I like it, and I like what I like. Alright, so moving on, I'm gonna spray my face again. I find it essential to spray your face in between every step because it really just helps you not look cakey. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun powder, just a little bit on my sponge, and I'm just gonna set. I'm not gonna let it bake, I'm just gonna press it in. As always, I'm going to bronze with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and bronze my face up. Ever since I switched to using this as a bronzer, I've really preferred it over how I was using it as a contour, but I think I need like a smaller brush today. Alright, in the fall, I typically don't like to wear as much highlighter. I feel like that's a very summer and spring thing. So I'm just gonna put on blush. So I'm gonna take this blush from Malibu Glitz. I don't know the color, but it's like this really pretty, I don't want to say, it's mauve. It's pretty much mauve. And this is super pigmented, so I'm just gonna lightly tap my brush in there. And then I just like to take a different brush with no product on it and go over just to really make sure I'm not looking crazy. Alright, so to finish up the under eyes, I'm going to take edge on a little brush, and I'm just gonna put that under my lash, on my under eyes. Was it edge? Did I say edge? I meant credit. I hope I said credit. Then I'm gonna take some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara. So for lips, I feel like this goes best with a nude lip, but I think, well, not I think, you could definitely wear something vampy with this, but I'm just gonna wear a nude lip because it's the middle of the afternoon and I'm going grocery shopping. So for lips, I'm gonna keep it kind of simple. So first I'm gonna start off with the NYX lip liner in Club Hopper, which is like a deep purple kind of brown situation. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. and Alyssa Ashley lip gloss in Nude Rose. Alright, so that is it for this little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye, guys.